Good day, everyone. You are welcome to Global Online Computer Training. My name is Mr. Rafa. I will be the one to carry you in this computer aspect. In this video, I am going to be teaching you a computer and each and every part that attached to it by the way of showing each part and explain for better understanding. What is Microsoft Excel? Computer program used to enter, store, analyze, and present quantitative data, create electronic versions of spreadsheets, collection of text and numbers laid out in a grid, display values calculated from data, allows what-if analysis, ability to change values in a spreadsheet and assess the effects they have on calculated value. Introduction to MS Excel. Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheet. Within Excel, user can organize data, create charts, and perform calculations. Excel is a convenient program because it allows user to create large spreadsheets, reference information, and it allows for better storage of information. Excel operates like other Microsoft MS Office programs and has many of the same functions and shortcuts of other MS programs. Overview of MS Excel. Okay, let's look at the steps on how to enter the Excel environment. 1. Click on Start button. Point to all program. The program manager will display. Find Microsoft Office. Point it and click. Then choose Microsoft Excel and click on it. This is how the environment is to look like of Microsoft Excel. This is how the environment is to look like. This is how the environment is like. Okay, let's just move. Features. Okay, see this is what we call cell. This is a cell. This rectangle, black rectangle is called a cell. So Microsoft Excel consists of workbooks. Within each workbook, there is an infinite number of worksheets. Each worksheet contains columns and rows. Where a column and a row, the intersection of column and rows is called a cell. For example, cell D5 is located where column D and row 5 meet. The tab at the bottom of the screen represent different worksheets within a workbook. You can use the scrolling buttons on the left to bring other worksheets into view. Office button. Office button contain new, open, save as, print, etc. Ribbons. The 3 parts of the ribbons are tab, ground, command, working with cell. These are just examples on how to work in Excel. You just see the indication now for this arrow. Indicate from what? The horizontal dash. Dashing, you see it now, just represent for the other sheet. So it means to copy from first content to the second content. This is how it is now. Formatting text. This is how to format the text. Example. You just highlight it, just point your text that you want to format. Go to the font size. This is the font size here. Then font style and choose it. This is an example here. See it before and see it now. how it is now. This is the font style. This is the font style now. You can just click any of them, like algebra. Formatting text again. So change the font size to add this one to add a border. Select the cell or cell you want to format. Left-click the drop-down arrow next to the font size box on the Home tab. Select font size from the list. To add a border, select the cell or cell you want to format. Click the drop-down arrow text to the Borders command on the Home tab. A menu will appear with border options. These are the border options. To change the text color, to add a file color. Also, you can follow the previous steps. To insert rows and colors in Excel. It's possible to insert rows and colors in Excel. And this is the procedure, so just follow it. Editing field. This is how to edit the field in Excel. You should move your mouse pointer here, point it, and click the field. So make the necessary setting for the cell. You can just edit it, it's possible. This is how to edit. You can just edit it. Like this one, I see it now. You can just edit it. In the low right hand corner of the active cell is Excel field handle. When you hold your mouse over the top of it, your cursor will turn to a cross head. And this tutorial like this now. This is what we mean. Like this now. This is what we mean now. This field handle, see it now. When you point it, it turn like a cross. See it, black cross. This is field handle, we call it. See it, note here, field handle. You can just use it to increase and decrease the numbers. Like this now. Right click. Point it here. Then move your mouse pointer to the center. Click and drag. Come to the note. See it here now. Field handle. Drag to increase the numbers like this now. That's the work of Excel.